We on now. Yo. It's the new boss of Fly Combinator. It's your boy, Codehova. And we moving on. While we pimping Swift, we're going to be talking about constants and variables. You dig? So, you might have remember from the first video when we were talking about VAR, var string equals hello playground, right? So, let's talk about constants first. Constants are values that you're going to create in your app that will never change. So it's like, and you write a constant with the keyword let. I don't know why a constant turned into let, but it did. And it stuck. So let's work with it. You dig? So let grams in an ounce. It's always going to be 28. It's never going to change. Never, ever, 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 ever going to change. What else is ever going to change? Never going to change. Hours in a day. 24. Right? You see? It's like let days in a year. It's 365. But should that really be a let? Because let's think about it. What happens on a leap year? That is going to be something that you might want to make a variable. Because I forgot how many times a leap year happens, but it's like what? Once every 4 or 5 years? Yeah, I don't even know. But that changes. So it's like, if you had these values of grams in an ounce, hours in a day, in your code as a let, and for some reason, you in the future or someone else you have working on your code want to change it, it's like, let's change grams in an ounce, and let's make it equal to 24. Xcode's going to bug out. It's going to be like, yo, you cannot assign a value to grams in an ounce because it is a let constant. Because it's a constant, once that value has been set, it will never change. It can never change. I mean, like, sure, if you change it to 24 up here, it'll work. Because this is that first and last time that you are ever going to assign this value to this constant value to whatever. So once you set it, you want to make it correct. So that's when you use a constant. All right. So if we go back to that example we had of let days in a year equal to 365, and on a leap year, days in a year is equal to 366, it's going to bug out. It's going to bug out one more time. It's like, yo, you can't update this value. That's when we use a variable. When we make it into a variable, we are able to assign the value we want, and we could update that value in the future as well. So that's the difference of a constant and a variable. Constant is a value, a single value, and it will never change. So it's like, what would your wallet be? Let's think about it. Does your wallet change? Does your wallet always change in how many Jacksons you got? How many Benjis you got? Of course. So that's a bank account. Your wallet would be a variable. Your phone number. Your phone number in your life might change. So that's a variable. But it's like a phone account that you give to, that you get from AT&T. They set it as a constant. Your phone number is always going to be that same number until you pay a big fee. And then, they're pimping you out. You're going to pay that big fee. They're going to destroy your account and create a brand new one. Something like that. So that's what we need to know about constants and variables. Constants are values that once we assign them, they're always the same. So that's just all you need to know now, because once we move forward, you're going to see more and more examples of exactly how this all comes together. You dig? It's your boy, Codehova, Fly Combinator. Man, we on top. We balling. We going to get that bag. That's how I'm doing it, man. Big time.